blessed Sunday today. And I hope your family is blessed and all your loved ones is blessed. You done know. Big up yourself. What you cooking? I'm cooking some chicken foot today. You know what I'm saying? Some chicken foot with some dash of beef. You know what I mean? So we're making some soup today. We're making nice and slow. No more love. You know what I mean? So blessings to everybody today, man. Hope you have a blessed day today. So we're gonna get this going, get this soup going. You know what I mean? Because the feet is waiting. I'm gonna deal with his feet properly. I'm on vacation, no kids. Bang 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 bang. Bang 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 bang. Shout out to the only one, yeah, done know. Take your vacation, queen, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Blessings to you. I hope you have fun. You know what I mean? Hope you enjoy yourself, get a chance to relax. You know what I mean? And refresh, relax the mind, you know what I'm saying? And relax the body, you know what I mean? And take a reboot. So big up yourself, queen. Yeah, done know. Blessings and blessings. Bang! So let's get to these feet. Time is going. It's 12:20.